Hello everyone, I'm Alan Osterhaus with Claas. Today we're standing in front of the 50th anniversary Jaguar Forage Harvester. So 2024 is the 50th anniversary of the Jaguar Forage Harvester product. It's a big anniversary for us, certainly a number of machines in the market, and then this machine behind me is painted especially for that event. But not only do we have the special machine behind me, but we also have two new things to talk about. First being the new Claas Earlage adapter, and the second being the brand new V-Flex knife drum. So on the Claas Earlage adapter, one of the things that we're going to talk about is the feed drum itself. So the feed drum is full width of the feed channel, unlike others in the market. It's also somewhat larger in diameter. Furthermore, the distance from the front edge is shorter to the back edge as well. So that means the whole machine and the header itself is closer to the feed rolls and gets that crop into the machine much faster and much cleaner. The other part of the machine, or the adapter, to talk about is the faceplate and the ability of the faceplate to rotate side to side and contour to the ground. So this is, of course, unique to us as well with this new adapter in the marketplace. You'll notice up here the multi-link coupler for the combine head. So that allows us to directly attach the controls of the forage harvester on the back side to the combine head on the front side. So there's no extra wires or hoses or anything of that required to make that work. That allows us to do not only the lateral contour side to side from the machine, it also allows us to steer the machine using the autopilot wands on the head itself. And then furthermore, we can actually adjust the deck plates in and out from the cab of the forage harvester. As we move around the back side of the adapter here, you notice this set of pins in this location here. So this pin is in the upper location, and then the one on the other side is in the lower position. With this upper pin is in the upper position for clipping on to a header and taking it off of the trailer, and then the operator would lower this into the lower position and then fully latch the head onto the adapter itself. You look on the back side, the latching system is fully integrated and operated from the left-hand side of the machine, so that you don't have to crawl around in the dirt to latch the adapter onto the forage harvester. Also, the feed drum itself is able to rotate up and down, and that allows us to get better capacity out of the adapter because the ears of corn that are coming through here, the feed drum kind of walks over top of them and brings them into the feed roll cabinet nice and smoothly. The second thing that we're going to talk about today is the new V-Flex knife drum. So the V-Flex knife drum supplements our existing offering with what's called the V-Max knife drum. So the V-Flex knife drum is a newly designed knife and knife carriers, and then the idea is the internal part of the housing of the drum itself is consistent from 36 knives all the way up to 20 knife drums. So there's some interchangeability of parts there. The V-Flex knife drum has the same main cylinder or drum housing, but then different carriers on the top side to make it flexible depending on the number of knives you want to run the machine. You'll notice back here on this side you can actually visibly see what's called the double half knife arrangement. So there's smaller knives alternating across the width of the machine. So this allows us to get smooth crop flow to the corn cracker in the machine itself, but without going with too short a cut length. On the top side are the full width knives. The knives themselves are now mounted from the top side rather than the bottom side, and a full width knife is mounted with 3 bolts rather than two bolts as before. So the advantage of that is if you do happen to ingest a foreign object into the machine, the knife is more rigid. It's mounted from the top side, and that shock is absorbed by the bolts themselves rather than the base material of the knife. Wear characteristics of the knives are better as well. There's 21% more surface area on the leading edge of the knife, so in theory you actually have 21% more service life out of the entire working set of the knives. So those are the things I wanted to cover today. For more information, be sure to visit your local Claas dealer or go to claasofamerica.com for more information.
Hello, my name is Greg Frenzel. I am product manager for combines for Claas of America. Right behind me, we have the 500,000th edition of Claas combines, and that's 500,000 combines worldwide, and we as Claas are wanting to celebrate this huge milestone that we've accomplished. That includes the LEXION that we see behind me. So what we have here is a nice big decal with the 500,000th Claas behind it, but it also, if we zoom in, we can see that we get the original Claas patent, which is the nodder. As well as that, we have a silver metallic that goes back to the very first combine threshing machine that Claas has made, as well as metallic green paint, similar to what we have on all of our other machines, but for a special edition to really showcase and make this machine stand out. So what we have here is a very special edition machine that we want to showcase, that we want to get out for demos. We want to have them at farm shows throughout this next year to really push that out there. You can find more information about Claas as well as the 500,000th story and this machine on Claas.com. Reach out to your dealer for further information or Claas personnel that you may see. Hello, my name is Greg Frenzel. I am product manager for combines here at Claas of America. And behind me, we have the new 8900 TRAC machine that's wrapped in the 500,000th special edition. So we have one of those, we're gonna showcase them, but the biggest thing is we offer up to 780 horsepower with this machine here in North America. It's our new flagship. We're going above and beyond what we know today, pushing the productivity, pushing the throughput, as well as the efficiency for those guys that really demand more in their field. So really excited about it. We encourage you to reach out to your dealer or go to Claas.com to find out more about the specs and how this machine can help you on your farm.
Hello everyone, my name is Oliver Höke. I'm the product manager for precision farming and digital solutions here at Claas of America in Omaha, Nebraska. Today I want to introduce you to our new generation of steering systems from Claas, the CEMIS 1200. The CEMIS 1200 is our standard steering system solution which we offer now worldwide, and it comes with a standard accuracy level of sub 6 inches in standard for 5 years with the system. Next to the system we also have our CBIS terminal, which is quite equivalent to the CEMIS, so the user interaction is quite similar and easy for you to use directly in the field. With the CEMIS 1200 also we have isobus functionality included, so every isobus implement which is compatible is running directly with your steering system, so plug and play and ready to use. The second step in our precision farming world is our next generation Claas Connect platform, which offers precision farming solutions digitally. With our new Claas Connect platform, we want to support our customers in every direction. It starts with the parts stock access, where we grant our customers access to the full list of parts for your machine to make your communication to the dealer way easier. Also, we offer lubricant advisors to directly order the right lubricant for your Claas machine. On top, we have also performance information for your machine available. So combines can be seen with settings and all the performances throughout the day to actually improve your fleet efficiency as a whole on your farm. On top, we also offer the farm management system now in North America as well. This is quite new for Claas to be also a player in the precision farming world when it comes to farm management systems. So there you have the chance to actually control your whole farm, which includes not only the machinery but also your fields, your reference lines, and the whole equipment you have on your farm available. If you want to know more about Claas Connect or our CEMIS 1200 steering system, please visit your dealer or check out our website, Claas.com.